We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at 2-bedroom apartment 7E. Let's go on in. As we enter, we'll come in, you can see the living room space straight ahead of us. The kitchen is on our left. Let's take a look in the bathroom. The bathroom is over on our right as we enter. This is like the other bathrooms we've seen in the building, so we'll get a nice view of the cabinet. The toilet and sink and the shower is over on the right. Okay. Let's take a look at the kitchen. So this one has the L-shaped kitchen. That's the E-style apartment. We are in 7E. This apartment is available on floors 6, 7, 8, and 9. We're on floor 7 right here. The kitchen will have that microwave, sink, dishwasher, stove, oven, refrigerator, some cabinets and drawers. You can see over here the living room. There's the dining table and chair. There's some seating areas. Some tables. You can see the air conditioner under the living room window. This apartment does face to the east. These are east facing windows. We get nice bright morning sun here. Let's go over so we can take a look. Up straight ahead of us is Collegetown Center, is the red building. You can see College Avenue up past that building. Over to our left is Dryden Road. Let's go look at the bedrooms. We'll see on the left is bedroom 1. We'll visit that first. So as we come into the bedroom, as you know, the bedrooms will always have the dresser, desk and chair, bookshelf, and a full-size bed. This bedroom is closer to Dryden Road. Let's take a look out the window real quick. So you can see Dryden Road over that way. And we've got the desk over here tucked into this nook and the closet. So let's go across the hall and see the other bedroom. Okay, so we're just crossing past the living room we went through. That second bedroom is over here, room number 2. Also facing east. So again, nice bright morning sun for these 2-bedroom apartments. College Avenue is over across there. I like in this room how the bed fits nicely into that nook right there. You can move the furniture around however you like though. Desk and chair and closet over here. This room happens to have a mirror on the closet door. If someone leaves a mirror when they move out, we will leave it for the next tenant. We don't automatically provide mirrors on closet doors for you. There is a mirror in the bathroom though. So that's a look at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 7E. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. We're here in Central Collegetown at 111 Dryden Road. We've entered the building on floor 4 and we are on floor 7, so we are 3 floors up from the lobby level here on the east side of the building. And we're just 1 block from campus here in Central Collegetown at 111 Dryden Road.